my friends, my name is Catalina and this is my craft channel. So today I decided to work with my Cricut machine that I purchased a month or so ago. This machine can cut fabric, and as I like so much to make applique projects, I started learning how to design my own projects. I learned that there are softwares in the internet that you can use for free. So I downloaded Inkscape and I learned how to use it. Of course, it took me around a month to learn how to use it, and not only as to design my own project, but to even copy from scanned images from internet. So now that I am more confident on how to use Inkscape, I decided to show you how to make a project for your Cricut machine. So I will start to show you my screen, how I designed the tree. I need a green tree to sew on a towel, and so I designed a simple tree, and then I saved it, and then I saved it as a project in Cricut design, and then from that was very easy. The machine made it for me. So I hope you'll enjoy this short tutorial, and I apologize for me not being too professional, because I am a beginner, as you probably are, or as you are going to become if you decide to buy a Cricut machine. What I want to say is that Cricut machine is very good, and if you don't know how to design anything, you pay subscription and you can use from the hundreds of designs they are already in their database. If you decide to buy a machine, your money will not be wasted. So please stay with me, I will start my tutorial. And so I built something to resemble half of my future tree. Then I right-click on my mouse and select Copy. Then I select to flip horizontally my object and connect it with the other half to make a full tree. I made sure that the ends of the two half trees connect well, so it will make a full object. Let me know if you want a complete tutorial on Inkscape. As much as a beginner can offer, I will do my best. There are many tutorials on how to design with Inkscape. The tree being complete, I saved the file. Then I open Cricut Design Space. Once you open the design space, you upload the file and save it here. Then you open it again. You can edit the images. I chose to make 6 trees. I duplicated 6 times. Next, you click on Make It button. But before you start, make sure that you select the size of your mat. I chose 12 by 24 based on the number of trees I want. You are prompted to choose the material you are cutting and choose the right blade, rotary in this case. Apply the fabric on the mat. I made sure to put the fabric with the length of grain along the length of the mat. Then you are ready to start cutting. So we open our maker like so. Okay, and we're preparing. I load the mat and I have to press the blinking button here. You can see it. We're using this tweezers, so I like this part. So I guess I got extra three trees. So yeah, this is my project. So I wanted 6 trees, but the way I positioned them, I got extra 1, 2, 3, you see. So I got this from here. We're not touching the board because the glue goes away. Okay, so yeah. That's so cute. I hope you enjoyed this accelerated tutorial that was made to help you with your decision on purchasing or not this machine.